How to disassemble and assemble the A9 tower all in one station. Use a Phillips screwdriver and preferably a plastic scoop. Open the top cover and remove 2 screws to get to the display PCB. Unplug the connector. Plug in the connector. Mount 2 screws. To take off the top cover, first remove 2 rubber caps. Remove 4 screws. Unplug 2 connectors. The doors are hooked at 3 places. First push it up, then slightly pull it sidewards and then take it down. Follow the same procedure for both doors. To take off the back plate, first lay down the tower. Push the plate in the direction of the arrow. Note that this action requires some force. Remove the top bracket. Note that the bottom bracket is still hooked by screws behind the base plate. Remove the 4 base plate screws. Before removing the last screw, make sure to support the tower by lifting it. Remove 2 screws that hold the bottom bracket. To remove the case supporter, remove 8 screws, 4 on each side. To remove the dust duct assembly, first disconnect some connectors and unhook the harness. Remove 4 screws. Detach the assembly on the top side first, then pull it from the lower case. Mount the dust duct assembly. Make sure it fits well on all sides. Mount 4 screws. Plug in 2 connectors. Guide the harness upwards. Pay attention to the top connectors, which can be accidentally reversed. Mount the connector of the shortest wire to the closest connector. Four connectors should be connected. 2 connectors are still unplugged and must be hooked up to the top cover later. Mount the case supporter. Make sure to pull out the display cover connectors. Mount 8 screws, 4 on each side. Mount the bottom bracket as demonstrated. Note the side that goes up. Mount 2 screws. To attach and mount the base plate, lift and support it. Mount 4 screws. Place the top bracket as demonstrated. Again, note the side that goes up. Make sure that the back plate is fully aligned. Then push it towards the base plate. To mount the doors, first lift up the tower. Hook the top door hinge to the top bracket holder. Then position the middle and bottom hinges. Check if the doors properly close. Mount 2 connectors. Mount 4 screws. Then place the 2 rubber caps.